Hello and welcome to Steve's Backyard Bonsai. Today I'm just going to be potting this little understory plant that I picked up in Rochester at the U.S. National Show. This guy had a lot of little things, and of course I waited until a lot of the little things were gone. But this was kind of cute, and I thought if I could develop it as an understory plant and keep it alive, I could use this and cut it back, sure. So I'm going to be putting it in this triagami pot. I'm going to be using fines which will go through this triagami pot. So I'm going to put a screen at the bottom of it. I usually don't like to do that because I always regret it. But I think in this instance, I don't think I'll be developing many roots that will be going through the bottom of the pot. So I think it'll be okay. But so, I know it's not what you want to do, watching me do this. So instead, I'm going to play some of the pictures that I took during the show and hope you enjoy that better. I didn't try to be a photojournalist. I really just wanted to enjoy the show, which I did. And these were some of my favorite. And when you're done with that, we'll come back and see how far I got on this. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that little short video slideshow. Here's the little miniature sedum. Didn't bury it that good over there, did I? Well, I'm hoping this just expands and fills the pot. I think it will. Alright, thanks for keeping me company in my backyard.